Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new, welcome. I hope you do stay. This channel will share methods on how to make money online, and we also share remote jobs. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by again and again. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to collect cash send, Capitec Cash Send from the ATM. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into it. So you are going to need only two things. You will need a PIN and a reference number that start with a C that's normally sent to you by the sender. Click on collect cash button. You will then land on the screen. Then you are going to punch in your 10-digit reference number that starts with the C. Should you make any mistake or you didn't punch the correct number, click on the yellow button that's written correction and rectify the number. So press the green button that is written enter and you land on the next screen that requires your 4-digit secret code. So that code is normally sent to you privately. Punch in the code and click enter, green button that's written enter. So you'll have to wait until the system is done processing and then collect your cash. If you want a receipt, then you click on yes and then you receive your receipt. If not, you click on no. And thank you so much guys for watching up to this far. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the post notification so you're notified every time I post a new video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.